Why are you shaking, little guy? I hope you don't pee yourself. What's going on? Hide your eyes, it don't matter, I'm still gonna kill you. Now I'm inside the cage with you guys. I like the glasses. Oh, we're gonna have some fun inside with him. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with him. Excuse me, I'm gonna go hide. You're gonna get special treatment.
You don't like you.